made it. We're in Venice. We left super early from Munich today, and now we're in Venice. We're gonna try to get on a gondola, and then we have to head down to Rome. So just a quick day trip, maybe get something to eat, then get on a gondola, and then get out of here. But super cool so far. We made it to Rome. Our Airbnb is super cute. I'm sweaty, I'm hot. We had to walk like 45 minutes because we couldn't get a taxi. So that was kind of a mess. But not everything goes as planned. But we made it. We made it to the Airbnb. We got to check in. We're gonna get some food. Hopefully some good pasta. And then tomorrow we're doing a walking tour and a cooking class I'm really excited for. But tonight we're gonna try to get an early night because we're both on like 4 hours of sleep. So far, super sick. On our walk here, there's like already a whole bunch of ruins, cool ass buildings. So I can't even imagine what more we're gonna see. I'm recording this now because I forgot to before, but we did a walking tour in Germany. I barely even took any videos. The walking tour, if you go to a city, look up free walking tours. All you have to do is tip afterward, but they are so worth it because not only are you looking at cool buildings, but you have someone who lives there who's telling you about them. So do walking tours. And then we did end up going to Dachau, which was really, hard to see, but I learned a lot and it was super interesting, but again, very sad. But make sure you do the walking tours in the cities that you go to because they are incredible. That's been my favorite part so far. Okay, so we finished our walking tour today. Super good, very interesting. But I like the one in Germany just a little bit better, but it was still good. Found out a whole bunch of stuff, and like I said, it's cool because not only are you looking at cool buildings, but they're also telling you what's going on. But then we got like a little, I need to show my food more, but we got a little appetizer, some bruschetta, and then these like balls that were fried, but they had like fettuccine alfredo noodles in it, and then drizzled with alfredo on the top. Super freaking good. But now we're waiting for our cooking class, which I'm really excited for. So hopefully I'll be able to take some videos of that. But right now we're sitting next to the river and waiting. Also, what's cool about Rome is they have these little fountains where you can fill up your water bottle, and it's all fresh, clean water, and it's not like recycled water. And it was made by the Romans, and they still use it today. It's insane. We were seeing buildings that were like from before Christ. Like, it's just hard to comprehend that. I don't know, it's nuts. Today we are in the Vatican City. We are going to be seeing the Sistine Chapel, and then we're going to be taking a taxi over to the Colosseum. So we're going to see what Michelangelo is all about and see if he can compete with taylorrose. Vatican was pretty cool. We took this like bus thing around through the gardens, and then we got off and we got to see the Sistine Chapel. Pretty cool, but not gonna lie, I think, you know, my artwork could go up there as well. But now we're at the Colosseum. We have a tour, but check this out. Check it. On top of Palatine Hill right now, and it was so cool. Tour so far is so worth it. We haven't even went into the Colosseum yet, but this is so sick. I have food in my mouth. Okay, so I'm kind of a mess right now, but today was amazing. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Palatine Hill might be like in my top favorite things that we've done. Then we went out to eat, got some good pasta. Our waiter gave us like a free shot, and I took it, and the dude came out, like a different waiter. He's like, I saw, you know, so-and-so pouring you that drink, and then I come back and it's gone, because I just threw it back. And then I was like, wait, am I not supposed to drink it like that? Am I supposed to sip it like that? And then he was saying like certain things in Italy mean a certain thing. So if you like apparently like do the shot glass on the table, that it means something compared to if you slide it. I didn't really understand, but he was like, yeah, you Americans don't, you know, you guys are a little bit more open-minded compared to the Italians. So it was like, is he calling us hoes? I don't know, but it was a lot of fun. I think my favorite part is like sitting down, interacting with people, obviously eating, but tour was super, super cool today too. So overall, sick ass day. We just took the train to Naples and then took another train down to Pompeii. So right now we're on our way to go check out Pompeii and hopefully request a guided tour and see all that jazz. So this is how they did heated floors. They had heated freaking floors. I don't even have heated floors. Okay, so we just did a guided tour. Super interesting. Honestly, I would recommend a guided tour because there's like no signs anywhere explaining things. But this is the volcano. And Pompeii is way bigger than I thought it was or was going to be. And apparently too, I'm gonna have to do even more research. Every time that we go to a place, I have to do more research afterwards. But apparently prostitution was like huge here. And the prostitutes would sleep on stone beds with stone pillows. But you can tell by the stuff that is left that this was like a totally luxurious place and right on the ocean. I mean, insane. Today we've just been walking around, shopping, hanging out. We decided not to go to Florence because we wanted to relax, rest, and really enjoy Rome. which I'm happy that we did because I have no FOMO right now about not going to Florence. But like I said, we've been going shopping. We will be going to Trevi Fountain, and right now we're on the Spanish steps. Just climbed these bad boys, apparently, even though they're made by the French, not by the Spanish still. Okay, so today is our last day in Italy, which is really, really sad. But today we are dedicating the day to food and to some more food and some more food after that. Starting off with this sucker that we got at a restaurant. But yeah, we're just gonna get food today, kind of chill out, wrap up because we have a long day tomorrow. We're heading to, and then we only have after that, and then we're done, which is totally crazy. But yesterday we did a bunch of shopping. That was cool. Today I think we're gonna stay like in our neighborhood, Travestier, which I know that's not how you say it. But it's really, really cool over here. It has shops, but also has a bunch of really, really good food. And I think we're about to go get some cannolis and then get some lunch. We got a cannoli. This is our first one. We've been here for like a week and it's our first one because we've been so tired and just so stuffed after dinner, but we were like, we gotta do it. This is a test of the true canola. I would go as far as saying that's pretty fire. Okay, so our next stop is gelato. I've already eaten a lot of it. Let me tell you, it's my favorite thing ever. The cannolis are absolutely amazing, but I'm more of a gelato gal. I have strawberry, mango, and wildberry, and I tell you, it's the best thing in the entire existence of living, especially because it's hot here.